Hello, Misku Contractors. We're gonna be renovating this bathroom and the kitchen. So this is what it currently looks like. We're gonna be changing out the tub. We already started working. I just remembered to do the recording. We did some cleanup. And we're gonna do a blue and white tile. We're gonna paint the wall white. And we're also going to be doing this kitchen. We're going to be changing this tile to a whiter tile to make it look brighter and more open. Inside the closet as well. Here we go. And now I'll show you the after results. Alright, and here is the end result. So we changed the toilet. We got a new one, a higher one. We have this tile on the floor. It's a little bit dirty. We still got to do some cleaning up. And then we have this tile up here, this glossy tile, and we put edges. We also changed the mirror to match the vanity, the new vanity, the stand-up shower. This is the glass wall. See how nice it looks? And I also put a shower curtain holder for him for free. We changed the shower heads. And this is the bathroom, yeah. And then as far as the kitchen, so again, this still needs a little bit of cleaning up, but as you could see, it looks a lot better from the last one. These tiles, he used good quality tiles. These are Italian. We had to take apart this oven so we could lay the tile in the fridge, and it was a lot of work. I also painted the walls for him as I did in the bathroom. Painted these moldings. So I still got to do a little bit of detailing work, but you know, and I recommended to him that we put him the long way because it makes the room look bigger. And he took my suggestion and liked it, so here we go. Thank you for watching.